To close the InvisiClose tail closure, roll the tail up 3 times and lock by pressing the closure strips together. For added protection and comfort, you may also fold the tail into the locket pocket, as shown. Remember to empty the pouch when it is 1/3 full. To drain the pouch, make sure to be near a toilet or other receptacle and have tissues on hand for cleanup. Unfold the tail from the locket pocket as shown, and while positioning the pouch over the toilet, disengage the closures and unroll the tail. Hold the tail up as you unroll it. This will give you more control. The white strip at the bottom of the pouch helps open the pouch tail. Squeeze both sides of the strips as shown and drain the pouch. Use tissues to clean the tail. Make sure to wash your hands.